नमस्कार साथियों, स्वागत है आपका हमारे YouTube चैनल लर्न फ्रॉम वासुदेव सर में। आज हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं क्लास 9th का फर्स्ट चैप्टर, दैट इज़ मैटर इन आवर सराउंडिंग्स। मैटर इन आवर सराउंडिंग, दैट इज़ द फर्स्ट चैप्टर ऑफ NCERT क्लास 9th। हम सबसे पहले समझेंगे कि मैटर क्या होता है। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द टॉपिक ऑफ द चैप्टर, दैट इज़ मैटर। मैटर, everything that occupies space and have mass in it is called matter। हमारे आसपास जो कुछ भी है, जो स्थान घेरता है और जिसमें वजन होता है, वह मैटर कहलाता है। You can see that the pen, it occupies space and have mass, it is also a matter. This is a duster, it occupies space and have mass, it is also a matter। हम ये कह सकते हैं कि everything around us is called matter। हमारे आसपास जो कुछ भी है वो मैटर है। बेंच, ये डस्टर, मार्कर, चश्मा, हमारा मोबाइल, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग दैट अराउंड अस एंड हैव मास एंड ऑक्यूपाई स्पेस इज कॉल्ड मैटर। मैटर की अगर हम बात करें तो एंशियंट टाइम में मैटर को एंशियंट फिलोसोफर के द्वारा पंच तत्व से डिफाइन किया गया था कि मैटर इज मेड अप ऑफ पंच तत्व। मैटर इज मेड अप of 5 basic elements that are known as Panch Tattva. But if we talk about the modern theory of matter, so matters are made up of particles. Matter are made up of small particles. Small particle, if we cut anything into small pieces and keep cutting continuously, after some time you will get very small pieces, and these pieces are known as particles, and every matter is made up of small particles. Now if we talk about the properties of matter, so matter are mainly classified into two types. First one is physical property and second one is chemical property. Let's talk about physical property and chemical properties. What are the physical properties? So physical properties of matter are solid, liquid and gas. These are the physical properties of matter. And if we talk about the chemical properties of matter, so matter is classified into elements, compounds and molecules. In this chapter we will learn about physical properties of matter, and in third chapter we will see elements, compound and molecule, that are the chemical properties of matter, in detail. Okay, let's talk about the properties of matter. Now we can say that there are some properties of matter, that matter is made up of small particles. Matter is made up of small particles. Let's see small particle. For this we can say, or we can do one experiment, that take 100 ml of water in a beaker and dissolve 1 spoon of sugar in it. If we take 100 ml and dissolve 1 spoon sugar, as we stir it, after some time you will see that 1 spoon sugar or salt disappear in the water, which shows that water has space between them and it is made up of small particles. Just like if we say that water is made up of small particle, and as we dissolve the sugar in it, it take the space present between the particles of water, and by this experiment we can say that matter is made up of small particle. And the second property of matter, that is called how small the particles are. Let's see how small the particles are. if we talk about the size of the particle, so size of the particle is very small and no one has determined the particle of size yet. अभी तक किसी ने भी पार्टिकल के साइज को डिफाइन नहीं किया है, लेकिन हम ये कह सकते हैं कि इट इज़ जस्ट अप्रॉक्सीमेट साइज दैट आर गिवन बाय द साइंटिस्ट, दैट वन रेन ड्रॉप has approximate 10 to the power 21 particles, and by which we can say that it is very small in size, or we can say that particles are very tiny in size. Now there is one activity by which we can say, or we can explain the size of the particle. Take one beaker and dissolve a small crystal of potassium permanganate, and as we will dissolve potassium permanganate, it will give dark pink color. It will give dark pink color. Take another beaker, add some water in it. Now we have to take out 10 ml solution from the first beaker and we will send it to the second beaker. It will also show the pink color. Now take one more beaker. Now you have to take 10 ml of the solution from the second beaker and it will also show the third, we have to put it in the third beaker and it will also show the pink color. It shows that continuously if we do it or repeat it till 5 beakers, it will show continuously the pink color, and that pink color shows that the particles of potassium permanganate are very minute and they are continuously transferring from one beaker to another beaker. Now we will talk about the characteristics of particles of a matter. Now just like characteristics of particle of matter, characteristics का मतलब होता है गुण. अगर हम बात करें कि मैटर के पार्टिकल्स जो होते हैं उनके कुछ स्पेसिफिक गुण होते हैं, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होती है. फॉर एग्जांपल फर्स्ट वन इज पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर have space between them. पार्टिकल्स जो होते हैं मैटर के, इनके बीच में स्पेस होता है. जैसे कि अगर हम एक फिर से वही एक्टिविटी देखेंगे कि टेक 100 ml of water in a beaker and add, just put one mark over here and add 1 spoon of sugar or salt. As we add it in this water or 100 ml of water, you will see that the mark will not rises, and it shows that the particles of water had space between them and the thing that is sugar we have added, it dissolve and take place between the space present in the particles of the water. It will shows that the particles of matter have space between them. And if we talk about the next characteristics of particles of matter, so second is the particles of matter are continuously moving. Particles of matter are continuously moving. What does it mean? That each and every particle of matter, whether it is of solid material, whether it is of liquid material, or it is of gaseous material, they have the particles, and the particles are continuously moving without stopping, as we have some experiments by which we can distinguish between the movement of the particle. So just like whenever we lit one incense stick, the fragrance of that particular incense stick is spread over the room within some time or within some minutes. That shows that particles of matter are continuously moving. If in a dark room a beam of light is coming and you can see the dust particles are continuously moving in that particular beam of light. And this phenomena was discovered by Sir Robert Brown, and due to which this movement is also known as Brownian movement. This movement is also known as Brownian movement, as we spray the perfume at one corner of the room and it spreads its fragrance in throughout the room. That also shows that the particles of matter are continuously moving. Now third example, that when we cook a food, a warm or hot food spreads its smell till the street or around the house, but the fragrance are continuously moving with the help of moving particles. Okay, now let's talk about the third characteristics of particle of matter. That is, third characteristics of matter is particles of matter attract each other. Attract each other. Let's see about the third characteristics of particle of matter, that is, particles of matter attract each other. Each and every particle have a force of attraction between them. As you can see that this marker have a fixed shape. Why this marker have fixed shape? Because the particles present in this marker attract each other and they have a strong force of attraction, and this force of attraction varies from matter to matter. For example, if we talk about the solid have high force of attraction and liquid have little lower force of attraction, and gaseous material have least force of attraction between the particle of them. So that was the third characteristics. Let's revise all three characteristics of matter. First, that particles have space between them. We have discussed that particles of any matter have space between them whenever the material is dissolved, or we can say whenever one material diffuse into the another material, whether they are the solid diffusion or liquid diffusion, they occupy the space. One material occupy the space present between the another particle. The second one was the particles are continuously moving. Particles of matter are continuously moving. We have seen lots of examples. One more example I want to give you. Take one beaker or take one glass and some water in it. Just put 1 or 2 drop of Dettol or 1 or 2 drop of phenyl and keep it undisturbed for some time. After some time, you will see that the Dettol or phenyl will dissolve or spread throughout the water, and it shows that particles are continuously moving, which dissolving the material in the water. Third properties or third characteristics was that we have written that force of attraction means the particles of matter attract each other. They attract each other like this so that we cannot separate them easily, as the force of attraction will be high and the particle will be more strong.